Today we're making fattoush, one of my favorite salads, and we're serving it, of course, with crispy lavash. Oh my gosh, so good. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, your favorite cooking channel. And today we're gonna be making such a beautiful, it's just this gorgeous, flavorful salad called fattoush. Now, I think it comes from Lebanon, and it's just a mix of colorful seasonal vegetables with a few extra special ingredients that give it that just incredible flavor. First of all, we have lavash, which is basically a very thin, it's like this simple flatbread, which we are going to bake in the oven until it's golden and crispy, and that's gonna add a great crunch to the salad. I always use pomegranate seeds because they add some freshness and a little bit of a hint of sweetness. To balance the sweet, we're gonna be adding feta cheese, which is nice and crumbly and salty. I always use a lot of greens in the salad, and besides the usual coriander and parsley, you could always use some dill. I add mint, and mint just adds, again, like another layer of flavor, some more freshness. I love sumac, some salt, and again, I always use seasonal vegetables. Sometimes it's these baby Persian cucumbers and, for example, a yellow zucchini. You could throw in a bell pepper. Some people like to add tomatoes. Today I'm using radishes. I'm gonna be using different kinds of onions. And I have this huge cucumber. I don't like these particularly because they tend to be a bit watery, but we're gonna remove the inner part, the one that is watery, and just leave the flesh, which is nice and crispy. And for my fattoush salad, I love to chop it up really, really small so that with every bite, you get kind of like a taste of every single component and ingredient. Everything is so simple with this recipe. I just love dishes that come together really, really quick and easy. Now for the lavash. By the way, I have a recipe of a chicken shawarma, and I also use this lavash to wrap it up. If you want to try it, click on the button. This is one of those things which is a pantry staple in my household. I often use it in cooking. I just like to tear it up into these different size pieces. I like to keep some quite small, but others I actually leave quite large so I can even scoop up the salad with it. I'm gonna spray the lavash with some ghee. You could use olive oil or avocado oil. Salt, pepper, maybe some smoked paprika. We bake it, and while that's baking, we're gonna chop everything up, and we're basically in the fattoush heaven. This isn't a salad, it's like a rainbow of goodness. What I love about the fattoush salad is it actually holds up pretty well in the fridge. So if you like to meal prep, you can chop up a salad and it will last for a couple of days in the fridge and it will retain the crispiness. What you can always add on top to kind of freshen it up is some more of this crispy lavash. You can eat it with a spoon, or you can just eat it like this. So not only can you play around with the vegetables, it could just be cabbage, zucchini, and I don't know, tomatoes and cucumbers. You can add any vegetables that you have on hand. Pay attention to the greens because they really brighten up the salad. And you can also add maybe some basil, throw in some tarragon, but what is a non-negotiable is the mint. The mint and the feta and the sumac and the pomegranate together, they just take a very basic vegetable salad to a whole nother level. You guys have to try this. If you have your own recipe, or maybe you're from Lebanon and you have some of your own non-negotiables, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear back from you. I love to learn something new, but this is amazing. Let me know if you tried in the comments. So good.